All right, fellas, we have got a 2010 Kenworth T800. It's got about 300,000 miles on a ISX Cummins 425 horsepower motor. It does have a 8-speed transmission in it. Had a new PTO and pump put in it last summer. Quad axle with 2 air tags. Motor's got about 300,000 miles on it. Truck's got 60,000. That'll be in your listing if you want to look it over. Did have a fresh inspection on this in 2021. They just brought it off the road about a month ago, give or take. Does have a Beau-Roc bed on it. Look it over, guys. $765,000.